Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bites from Chitrakas. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives. Subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging more videos. Festival season is coming, so happy festival season for all. At festival time, you would like to buy your dream car. Many people wants to buy their dream cars. But people who are already having cars and want to maintain like the way you bought when you bought the car 5 years back or 6 years back, if you want to maintain the car as it is, you need to do some important things. How to maintain your car, what to do, what not to do, and what is your driving habits, how you enjoy the car in driving. The same way car should also enjoy your driving habits. So today the topic is on that. What to do, what to do not do. So the number one is very important is the fuel. So we go to a petrol station or fuel station and pour petrol or diesel in our car. But we are only worried to see that the meter is made zero and he pours the petrol or diesel in your car. But actual important thing is what is the quality and the density of the car, the petrol is poured is very important. For a petrol car, the density should be 720 to 775. For a diesel car, it should be 820 to 880. So next time when you pour petrol in your car, see the density. If there is nothing mentioned, if it is mentioned zero, please, if you are not in a hurry, go to a nearby petrol bunk, see the density and pour the petrol or diesel in your car. Because if the fuel is not good, the entire engine, the entire system runs with the fuel. That's very important. Same thing is people, when you go for servicing, you give local oil brands, local brake pads, local air filter and all. Please, the manufacturers have given a recommendation what viscosity of oil should be used, synthetic or whatever the oil they recommend. Please use that oil, that brake pads and that filters etc. for your safety and the car longevity running. For example, if you use local and put yourself as zero, if you are using the recommended oils, put it as 1 for you. Then people have a habit of driving very fast as if they are going on a race. They put the gear, clutch and race immediately and drive. Suddenly something comes up, some potholes, you put the brake. So this is called haphazard driving. If your driving habit is like that, the car is getting hurt very badly and as well as the car will become old very fast. So if this kind of a habit is there, put yourself 0. If your habit is changed to good, put it as 1. Then wheel alignment. Wheel alignment is supposed to be done. If the company recommends every 5,000 kilometers, you have to do the wheel alignment. If you are driving very fast, very haphazardly, or there are lot of potholes in the area where you drive, you should see that you do the wheel alignment at 4,000 kilometers only, because the driving condition is important. 5,000 is recommended for idle condition. So if you are doing wheel alignment at 4,000 kilometers only, put yourself as 1. Or if the roads are bad and all, you're doing after 5,000, 6,000, put yourself as 0 marking. Then don't miss any services. For example, there are companies for Maruti, or they say 5,000 kilometers you get it serviced. Some other car 10,000, some other brand 15,000. So when they are giving the recommendation of that kilometers, please don't exceed that limit. अरे 500 किलोमीटर बढ़ाना यार, 1000 kilometers more, what is wrong if I give it if you can give 500 or 1000 kilometers earlier is better. So your car performance will be good, the sound of the car, the driving comfort, the safety is always good. These are the measures and precautions to see that your car looks as new, performs as like a new car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.